The education and learning pillar at the Martha W. Goodson Center is so important because Riverside is committed to education, and we know how important it is. But for professional caregivers and family caregivers and for clinicians, it can be very difficult to take time away from providing that direct care to participate in training and education. So we created a solution. It's called microlearning. Our microlearning lessons are about 10 minutes or less. They're very short. They provide targeted, practical information so people can easily remember, recall what they've learned, and apply it immediately to their job or to their caregiving situation. But also to feel like they're not alone, that there are people who understand what I'm going through, that there are people who can teach me what I don't know, or give me more information on what I feel like I do need to know. So you feel supported and cared for through education.
The Martha W. Goodson Center is so critical now because people feel alone and that there's nowhere to turn to. Who could possibly understand what they're going through as either someone living with a cognitive decline, a memory loss, either undiagnosed or diagnosed, they notice changes and they don't know who to go to. Through the Martha W. Goodson Center, we'll now be able to start programming that we didn't have before. So brain health initiatives, support groups, Riverside-led support groups, community education. So education and support and new initiatives so that we can actively, not statically, work on mind, body, soul, education and socializing, bringing people together in similar situations. No two people have the exact same situation, but they can relate. So finding what fits for that moment, what can help where that person is today.